Hi, this is King of Review. So here we have a graph which shows the function y equals log base 1/3 of x. We need to find the value of 8 times 3 to the power a plus b, where a and b are on this graph. Okay, let's start by finding a and b. A is the y value, where the graph has an x value of 2, which means if I want to know what a is, I just need to plug in 2 for x. So a is the log base 1/3 of 2. Similarly for b, b is the y value when the x value on this graph is 4, so b must be the log base 1/3 of 4. Now I know that I'm going to want to add a and b together from the problem. I have 3 to the power a plus b. So let's figure out what a plus b is. That's the log base 1/3 of 2 plus the log base 1/3 of 4. Now, there's a nice property of logs that says if we have a log base b of some number x plus a log base b of some number y, we can combine these two together into the log base b of the product, x times y. So using that product rule, a plus b can be simplified into the log base 1/3 of 2 times 4, which is 8. So again, just bringing 2 times 4 over here, and that gives us at least one simple log. Now, what would be really nice with this log is if the base was not 1/3, but 3. I know I'm going to be raising the number 3 to this power, a plus b. If I could make the base match the 3 that I'm using as my base of my exponent, things would get very easy. And the nice thing is that there's a simple rule of logs we can use. If we have a log base b of 1 over x, that is equivalent to the log base 1 over b of just x. Basically, we take the reciprocal of the bases and also the reciprocal of the number inside the log. So that means that I can change my log. If I take the reciprocal of 1/3, I get 3 over 1, or just 3. And if I take the reciprocal of the base, I have to also take the reciprocal of the number inside the log. The reciprocal of 8 is 1/8. So a plus b can also be written as the log base 3 of 1/8. Now let's go back to the problem we're originally trying to solve. 8 times 3 to the power of a plus b. But I've just figured out that a plus b is the same as the log base 3 of 1/8. And so now we need one final property of logs. And that is that if you have a number b, and you raise it to the power of the log base b of some number x, the log base b and b cancel each other out, and we're just left with the x we had in our exponent. Since we're raising 3 to the power log base 3, the 3 and the log base 3 cancel out, and all we have is 8 times 1/8. 8 can be written as 8 over 1, so this product is 8 over 8, or just 1. And there's our answer. Thanks for watching.